Well, hello my friends and welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to be testing another chrome. Not exactly new as far as branding goes. I tested this recently, this fantastic chrome that goes over anything. Looks great. It's affordable. The double pack is half the size of this new one. It just comes with the clear that you can brush over the top. And it's actually pretty good. It's like aqua gloss. It turned out to be a winner. This is another branded name, but I believe it was the same product. I tested that in a different box. This, of course, is the same company, Fusion Firm. But what they did was they made this geared towards airbrushing only. This is pretty thin. And let's see what we got here. Put directly in, don't fill too high. Yeah, standard instructions. They permanent, waterproof, perfect coverage, easy to replenish. I understand they made the bottle bigger. They thinned the paint out a bit, and it's got. I think it's got. I can hear some. Yeah, it's got some shaker balls in it, which I like. And I heard or saw in the pictures that the nozzle pouring it into the airbrush is much better, and I'm all for that. I do like that. The new nozzles on the new Kaleido paint are also excellent. Shake well before use. It's got that darker color that Ultra Lumen has. Let me grab that. See, it's that brownish color. Put that back. Yeah. So it's hard to tell when it's shook up. I'm going to shake it up really well before. Oh, you can tell. I can see the little. See it? Little wave right there. Let me see if I can. It's a push down. Yeah, it's a push and turn cap, which is pretty nice. Oh yeah, that's a really nice nozzle for dropping it into the airbrush. I do like that. So we're gonna see if this covers the same. The other one, maybe it covers better. It was a little thicker. I don't know. I mean, the double the size though. This was $17.99 for 60 mil, which is pretty good. I mean, that's less than 2 bottles. If you took 2 bottles of All Clad, that'd be about $22. So at 18, you're way under that. So, like I said, quick video. We're going to see if it performs the same. We'll put it in an airbrush. I know it goes on heavy, and it doesn't need primer, so I might go with a 0.5 millimeter needle on that. We'll spray it over at different surfaces. Got this already painted skull. Maybe we'll see if it goes over this paint, how that works. And we'll spray a few other things here, a couple of spoons and whatnot. So let's head over to the booth this way. I think I got my airbrush compressor set at 18 psi, and let me go pick a airbrush on the Arsenal. By Arsenal, I mean one of those. There's always one sitting over here, or two. I forget to put them away. But let's go grab one of those. I think my swallowtail is up there. I got some news on my next airbrush coming out too, so we'll talk about that at the very end of the video. Anyway, let's head over to the booth this way, and let's see how this stuff works. Alright, check this out. Nozzle stood nice and clean. Looks like chrome already in there. We can even put a little more, why not? Tough to squeeze the bottle, but that's pretty good. It doesn't go flying out, I guess. They made the bottle kind of stiff to push, which is pretty cool. Let's see what we got. Ah, we're ready to go. I got a bunch of these clear spoons. Let's use that. It says it doesn't matter what the base is, right? Now, I know this has to go on heavy. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this sprays beautifully. Just wow, look at that. This it sprays beautiful. You don't need black. I just grabbed this. This has the Kaleido clear on top of the black spoon. Wanted to see how it would handle it. It handled it. It looks better than the clear spoon. Look at this stuff. All right. Getting a little bit of a Terminator vibe here. I didn't prep the surface, I just sprayed it. Look at this. Yeah, this stuff is awesome. Even the original I tested is just really, really great. Wow. Yeah, it's I don't have much bad to say about it. This is how it looks over this flat primer. I just did the flat primer anyway, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, yeah, this stuff is just as good as the other stuff. Seems to go a little longer in the airbrush because I am flooding this stuff out. Here it is over gray. It's funny seeing just the mirror up here directly over. Yeah, I wish I knew the company. I would have put my name on this, man. I'm so synonymous with testing chrome that to have a nice product like this with my name on it would have been awesome. But yeah, let me let these dry a little bit. We'll head back to the bench and we'll see if it got affected by anything that I sprayed it on. If not, I might spray a few more of these just to get rid of this. Have some for testing some candy on top of at a later video. And we'll meet you back at the bench. Alright guys, here we are back at the bench. And the results are great, just like their other product. Depends on the surface. Not quite as unbelievable shiny, even though you can see me there. Whereas the skull was really smooth. So look at the difference here. So it will depend on the surface. It's not the chrome paint itself, because you can see how good it will come out. It depends on the surface. Like this was a flat black primer, so it's a little duller. I actually like this look for a scale model because it looks to scale. It doesn't look crazy fake. So you see how beautiful that came out over the matte primer. And so it has a bit of a polished look instead of a chrome look, but I do like that look. And here's the clear spoon. And that was a pretty nice smooth surface, but probably not as smooth as it would like. You see that? And I didn't prep it. I just took these out of the box. But it is an easy to use, sprays over anything. It's just an incredible chrome. Really nice product. And how the fact that it's so easy to use gets a big thumb up. You just spray it and you got chrome. I read more into it. It says to let it sit for 72 hours. Here we go. If you plan to apply additional paint or protective, I'm right here, protective coating later, allow it to painted surface to dry completely for 72 hours. So we'll let this dry for a bit. It also says, which I like, when cleaning it out of the airbrush, rubbing alcohol. So I use this, always use 91% or higher isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, and I cleaned it right out. So as far as cleaning the airbrush goes, this was about $2 for this giant bottle. So yeah, that's another bonus. So there you go. I'll put a link below. I knew they were working on this. They either posted something on their page or they replied to me. I don't remember. On a comment, they said they were working on an airbrush version, and here it is, the bigger bottle, and it is a nice size bottle, 60 ml for $17.99 on Prime. I have Prime, so the shipping was free. So a good product. I'll put a link below. It'll be right below this video, right in the description below, if you want to. And that is it. That is a test, and I had a feeling it would be good, and it is. So I was looking back at the Golden God test over the Ultra Lumen. As it sits here, I realized it did come out pretty good on the 3 that it worked well on. The Ultra Lumen itself, splashes, new chrome, completely different look, but a really nice look. And this was the AK Super Chrome. which is kind of like this product. So I'm going to try this product after 3 days, as it says, of drying. I'll test this in a few days. Let this stuff dry for a while. And we'll see how I can put this Golden God on top, if it does, in fact, work. So, but that was that test. And these were sitting over here in the corner of the desk. I realized how good it actually really did come out. All right, guys, that is it. I have some product tests coming up. This took over a month to show up, I believe. I'm going to guess because I ordered it and it came from Europe, which meant it had to come over in a boat. Chrome effect. And there's that term lac. I'm thinking that's where iron lac got their name from. It must be a word for something. Any of you guys from other overseas, outside of America, let me know in the comment below what that means. But anyway, look, it is. I think it's by Montana or Mountain brand. Where's the brand here? Montana Colors. So look, chrome effect paint. I'm hoping. We'll see. Fingers crossed. I mean, it's telling us on the cap, right? It's supposed to look like that. I doubt it. But I wanted to try it. But I didn't know it was going to take 5 weeks to show up. But hey, it did show up. I'm going to test alcohol inks. I found these at my local craft store. It was either Hobby Lobby or Michael's had this. So I'm going to see how this gold works. I know it's not going to be chrome. But if it sprays nice, it was a really low price. So $3.50. I mean, that's nice if you're getting a nice gold paint. I'll grab a couple other colors. And we'll see how that works. Also coming out soon, maybe this weekend, I have a clear metallic coming, meaning it's just going to be a clear paint, like a clear gloss, but it's going to have metal flake in it like this. This was a plain green and a plain blue spoon, and I just sprayed it when they sent it to me. I tested it over these, and look how it came out. It adds a little bit of a nice pearl metallic effect to any color. So yeah, that's going to come out in my square bottled limited color series. So look out for that. I think that was pretty cool. What else was I going to show you guys? Anyway, I got a new booth coming. A new booth just showed up, a spray booth. They called it a spray box. It's a big square, kind of a different design, so I'm kind of excited to try it. Might be filterless too. I'm not sure if I read that. That just showed up about an hour ago. The box was huge. I just carried it down here. And also, I'm testing from this company, well, I should say, from Gallery. This is their new Kaleido paint. Incredible paint. If you guys have not watched the video yet, go watch it. Go pick some up. All you guys who ordered it, it should be showing up now on your doorstep. And I want you guys to test it and let me know what you think. But head over to that video and try this Kaleido paint. I think we made it a pretty good success story, as a lot of you guys did pick some up. This stuff is incredible. Anyway, Gallery has a brand new, top-of-the-line, Cadillac of all, air compressor. I guess it compares to the Silent Storm, but even beyond that, this thing looks premium stuff. 40 decibels, which is lower than me talking to you guys right now. So that test is coming up. I'm hoping for Sunday. We're going to put that test up. This air compressor looks awesome. So I can't wait to test that. And that is it. All right. I'll keep you guys abreast of anything coming up new in the next video. We're working on some new paints, military colors. All kinds of stuff are happening. I mentioned my airbrush. I just got the drawings and a picture sample of my next airbrush. You guys are going to love it. Yeah, this is big stuff. I'll reveal a little bit as I go in each video. But it's going to be part of the ACE series. I'll show you what I mean by ACE. 1 second. On their packaging, Classic, Advanced, Premium, ACE, Supreme. My next airbrush will be part of the, this is Premium. It's going to be part of the ACE series. And it's real nice. It's for detailing. And really excited for you guys to see it. It's a beautiful airbrush, work of art, this thing. And yeah, we're hoping for, I believe it's going to be out in time for Black Friday. So we're going to have a big launch for my new airbrush. It's been a while since the Swallowtail came out, and that's how long it's been that we've been working on this one. So I'll keep you guys up to date on info on that airbrush. But anyway, if you want this liquid chrome, I'll put a link below. To where I got it. It'll take you right to it. And thumbs up. It is good. The other one I've tested, it sits around and And it's pretty durable as it sits here. This one I sprayed a while ago, and it's holding up pretty well. But like I said, we're going to let it sit like it said, and we're going to try and put some clear colors on top and see if that holds up. Anyway, guys, that is all. Have a great rest of your week. We will see you probably on Sunday with another video. Like I said, we're going to do that spray booth and that compressor. I'll probably do the compressor first, and we will see you then. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless you all. Take it easy.